you about accident at sea or port Houston, you need a maritime lawyer. Injured in a maritime accident, schedule a free consult with the Houston Maritime Injury Lawyers to get all the facts. An experienced maritime attorney like Scott Crest can be the difference in maximizing your claim and getting everything you deserve. Attorney Crest has been fighting for injured seamen for more than 25 years and won some of the largest recoveries in Texas. What makes maritime accidents different? A unique set of laws applies to maritime injuries. Several laws might apply in a maritime claim that do not apply to accidents on land. Sometimes referred to as admiralty laws, they are designed to protect specific situations and employees. For example, someone injured while a crew member on a ship files a different lawsuit than someone hurt in a car crash. The main difference is the damages you're able to recover under maritime law. Additionally, some injuries that occur dockside, like while unloading container ships at Port Houston, may fail under maritime law. The Crest Law Firm explains maritime law. Why hire a Houston maritime lawyer? As you can see, maritime laws are complex. Let Houston maritime attorney Chris and his team help you understand the legal concepts and walk you through the process to get all compensation you deserve. This could be what gets you paid for the time you missed and able to pay the medical bills that continue to pour in. Working with a lawyer without maritime can mean leaving money on the table, but at the Chris Law Firm, PC, our house and maritime accidents lawyer have extensive experience in this field and do not let our clients be shortchanged. How Chris help injured seamen and maritime workers. Our house and maritime attorneys have a history of getting results for injured maritime workers so they get maximum compensation. This includes one of the largest published recoveries in Texas for a single plaintiff. In this case, we got a $1,512,000 award for a man who suffered major injuries after a mooring cable snapped and struck his head. Our team of award-winning lawyers has the knowledge, experience, and resources to win even the most challenging maritime cases. Whether you are injured on a ship, at sea, on an oil rig, or at Port Houston, we have a network of the best medical, engineering, and maritime industry experts in the nation. We are proud of our work and track record of representing people injured while working in the hazardous maritime industry. A Chris Maritime attorney will help you complete the accident report for your employer, determine whether you are a seaman under the Jones Act, confirm the status of the vessel at the time of the injury, gather evidence about its seaworthiness, investigate the crew members and their training, assess the cause of your accident and injuries. Let us get your medical bills paid. If you've been injured in a maritime accident, you may have significant medical costs and be confused about what to do next. A House of Maritime attorney from the Chris Law Firm PC will be a valuable resource as we fight to get you a full financial recovery. What are maritime injury cases worth? You may be able to file a lawsuit under federal maritime laws for compensation for your injuries. A House of Maritime lawyer can explain your legal options and help you decide on a course of action. If you've been injured in a Houston maritime accident, whether in the Gulf, at the Port of Houston, Bayport Terminal, or while dockside, you may be entitled to the following damages, like medical costs, cost of earning capacity, physical pain, mental anguish, physical limitation, disfigurement. Additional compensation for injured seamen. Maintenance and cure. When a maritime worker is hurt on the job, the worker has the right to maintenance payment for expenses such as food and housing. The worker also has the right to cure, which includes medical costs for treatment until the worker reaches their maximum improvement. This is similar to workers' compensation, but specifically for people covered by the Jobs Act, there are no fixed amounts. Instead, payments are determined based on your circumstances. Secondly, vocational rehab. Flexible workers camp. If you were injured in an offshore accident, you may be entitled to compensation for vocational rehabilitation services. This includes re-employment evaluation, counseling, and training. Disability, you may also deserve temporary and permanent disability payments for lost wages. Your house and maritime injury claim. Because maritime laws are so complex, it's important to have an experienced host and maritime lawyer working for your interest. There may be large shipping companies and their insurance companies working against you, but the Chris law firm PC can make sure you are protected. We will explain the maritime and admiralty laws that apply and what to expect. Maritime lawsuits and when to file. In most maritime accident claims, filing a lawsuit is a necessity. The Jones Act is not like a workers' comp claim, which is an administrative process you handle with your employer. The Jones Act requires a lawsuit and to prove your employer's negligence to get compensation. Maritime settlements. Most maritime injury claims settle with a negotiated settlement, but this is not guaranteed. It would be best if you work with a maritime attorney prepared to take your case to court and have a history of maritime litigation success. Proving a maritime injury claim. When you file a personal injury lawsuit, typically you allege that someone was negligent and that you deserve compensation for your injuries and losses. Maritime negligence. When someone is negligent in a maritime case, that means the person or organization acted without taking reasonable care or failed to act reasonably to protect others from foreseeable harm. To prove that you're owed compensation, you must establish the first is you suffered an injury or loss, the second is someone else caused your injury or loss, and the last one is the other person failed to exercise reasonable care and caused your injury or loss. Evidence is critical after a maritime accident at the cruise law firm PC. Our maritime injury lawyers handle these cases every day. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching and bye bye.